back to It's Us Again podcast.
It's them again podcast.
Oh.
Hi, this is Harita. This is Ashi Apurva. Welcome back to It's Them Again podcast. But for us,
Us.
It's Us Again
Okay,
podcast.
yeah.
The reason I'm so excited is because this beautiful angel, Anyale, who's here, she was like, wear red and come. And I was like, I'll wear my usual black kurti and then wear a red color dupatta and come. Then I was like, oh, hey, this top fits me again. So,
Transformation. Why I wanted us to wear red because this is a special episode
yeah,
on the Valentine edition or whatever. So
nothing like that, but still.
So we have it's so sad that we put a poll on our Instagram channel.
No. The poll did really well. But the question of what is love to you, bro, there were 4 responses.
Yeah. But then it's okay, no? See, if you don't follow our Instagram channel, please follow it. We'll put a name or something over here. And yeah, go do follow us and हमारे से contact रखो because it is going to
Please
be
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Yeah.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು
both the reasons, okay? We
support
are-
ಮಾಡಿ
yeah.
please. So let's immediately dive into the thing. We'll start with the questions.
Okay.
With the
On
release it
exactly 14th or 13th.
14th.
Okay.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ we'll release off. And I know you all want to do your Netflix and chill. Do YouTube and podcast, no, for a change. You be doing whatever you usually do. But listen to this. This might be a testimony of your relationship or
Disclaimer: we had few responses on WhatsApp also because we're trying our desperate needs to get a few responses. So we put that story on our WhatsApp also. First response was by ours truly.
The question was, what is love? I said, it's a compilation of other feelings like trust, attachment, bonding, experiences. And basically, love is like a reflection of oneself. That's what I said. What do you think about that?
I want to answer this at in the last
This
thing.
is like one of those memes, but I won't
Okay,
tell
yeah,
it.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
It's like, oh my god, I thought you blocked that person, but you get a notification from that person. Sure.
Okay. So, the way you wrote ki it's a compilation of other emotion. I feel like love in itself has its own definition. I do understand what you wrote and everything. I understand the part which is telling you to
Basically, you'll just see like a versus, bro. Like, I'm just telling you that this whole concept of love, I personally actually don't believe in.
I do.
I'm not, yeah, and it's beautiful. Of course, like, I want to have the whole, not at all overexposing myself here, but then, of course, everyone has that, oh my god, in this movie, that happened, this happened, all that's there. But my question is, I don't think love is something that's like you see somebody and you're like, oh my shit, I've lost it. I really don't think that happens. I think it's like, over time things happen. And sometimes, of course, like, like, I've met a lot of these aunties, not in a weird way, I'm just saying, like, they just have like very warmth about them. And I'm like, bro, if you were my mom, I think I would have been
Kissed
like,
you.
no, I mean, like, don't make it all Oedipus complex. But I'm just saying, like, if you were like my neighbor or something like that, I think I would have come to your house more often. Maybe that kind of love. Or even the people that I'm like friends with, they have this thing of like, the first time I saw him, bro, I fell in love. I'm like, how? You would have fallen in love with his eyebrows or whatever the shit. So I think there's a lot of other things, like, like, oh, this person, that there is somebody on the roof and he's making a lot of noise. For one person, he's making that's what I mean. I mean, like,
Noobs.
in general, I don't believe in love, but of course, over time, instead of saying, oh my god, I respect you so much, I want to spend the rest of my life with you, oh my god, like, there's so much about you that I admire, you also look good, you just finish it by saying 3 words, which is, I love you. That's it. That's what I think, bro. And I think it's okay. It's good. But you are somebody who's like, love is something that just like, it just arises out of nowhere, and you just love the person for how they are. Of course, that's also called Delulu is a solulu.
No.
But
Like you can't see there is this factor that कि लोग कहते हैं कि तुम उस जो इंसान जैसा है उससे प्यार करो पर अगर वो इंसान अच्छा ही ना हुआ तो तुम्हारा प्यार कहाँ तक
Wow, I
मतलब
think yeah, okay, you know what? In this we are on the same boat, kyunki I think towards the end there's a difference between love and the compatibility, right? You're like, oh my god, you're like amazing, I love you. But then like when you love somebody, what do you want to do? You want to continue however you're living with maybe more the marker and shit like that. And if they're not compatible for it, what you said will happen. So
okay. So shall we go to our next
don't ask, shall we? Just go to the next question. I know
next?
your password though. You know?
No.
Don't tell it out aloud.
I'll
I will
change.
censor it.
No, no.
Sometimes I forget my own password. What I'll remember somebody else. So this is a question, okay? Overpowering love or gentle love?
As if you have a choice.
This whole as if you always have a choice in life, by the way.
Mm.
You always have a choice in life until and unless maybe you're under attack by some terrorists, which we'll not get into. But I think you always have a choice, bro. You could always choose. But yeah, okay. So you think
But
it's
how come in love you have to pick? No, this love I want, that love I
more
want.
than the thing you do, right? Like technically you do. Let's be honest here. We also live in such a happening moment that when you're talking to somebody, there's always some kind of interference. Somewhere, something. Let it be. And let's be honest, like the age that obviously in this week two of my friends got married and one of them his wife is pregnant and he just called me and I'm like, why? No, she's not even like bum, bro. Like, no offense to you. And he's like, bro, I'm gonna become a dad, bro. I don't know what to do. And I'm like, is this the same dude that like I met so many years ago? And he was like, bro, I don't know what to do in life. Who's like, my wife is pregnant now. So we are at that age where, like, even if you are in your own world, suffering in your, let's say, overpowering love, I think your mom will come to you and say, hey, there's like an option for gentle love. What do you think? So don't you think it's a choice?
Okay, so
So you will choose overpowering love or gentle love? You're telling there's no option at all.
I don't feel you have option in the kind of love you have it. Maybe you are the person who is creating that overpowering love for somebody else, but you know the intention is very कि मैं तो इससे प्यार करता हूँ अब उसको टर्म मिल गया है कि दैट इज अ ओवरपावरिंग लव माय लव इज
Ah,
ओवरपावरिंग सो आई वुड डेफिनेटली वांट it to be balanced in a way. I can't say ki only gentle love, only overpowering love. I want it to be like thoda balance of that, but then I don't think so you get a choice. Like you,
okay, makes
if you
sense.
pick up love तो फिर love का क्या मतलब है? प्यार को चुना नहीं जाता है बच्चों. So you
Oh,
can't.
you're going like that. Oh, okay, okay. I will say no love only.
No,
Because I want, but I think I'm more. I mentioned to you also, I'm more of a giver. Like I'm like, I have overpowered in friendships, relationships, parents, any kind of relationship with over love, and then I'm just like, oh, okay, so. But I will, if I were to choose between these two, I'll say overpowering love. Gentle love, I think, takes a lot of like like that quietness and stillness, which I personally don't think life has, until unless it's like you have a hectic day and by the end of the day you go on your terrace, you play with your kittens, or you talk to your neighbor and you just have like some chai. So that's like gentle, and I don't think it's very like natural. I just want something that's like, it's there. And is it overpowering? Let it be. Is it gentle? Let it be. But if I had to choose, definitely overpowering, bro. Need that little masala, bro. Little masala. The next person to the question was, yeah, like what is love? He said, "हो जाता है गलती से."
गलती तो नहीं होती पर ठीक है.
Nay, I'm a gulti. Ask my parents. But Pakka, this dude, bro, I agree with you, bro. Like 100%. It just, by
हो
mistake,
जाता
it
है.
happens off. And if that person is crazy enough, it'll be mutual and it'll just happen. So it's a good thing.
पर फिर वो गलती कैसे हुई ना?
It's okay. That's how it should be. Another person said, love takes time. I want to take the phone and slam for this, but I will. Oh my god, it's saying report some. Okay. But I think love takes time. I
I
too
agree
have like,
100%.
of course, you see a bike and you're like, oh my god, I've lost my shit. But then, like, the love that actually stands
Mm.
is, I think, the one that takes time. Because, like,
Takes time to brew.
it takes time to brew. It takes time to brew, as well as the same point which I told. It's like a culmination, a compilation of so many other things. Like, you need so many experiences. You need to go on 4 road trips with them, 10 family functions with them, 4 movies with them, and then only you're like, oh my god, I love the compatibility. Kya compatibility? hai? Kuch nahi hai. It's but
And
it makes sense.
just look at us, two single people talking
Speak
about
for
love.
yourself, okay? I'm double XL. I'm not single. No, I'm just kidding, bro. Like, I make that joke whenever somebody's like, "Are you single?" I'm like, "No, I'm double XL. Look at me. Like, I'm so fat."
It's so lame, but
Yeah,
yeah.
it's okay. The beauty is like when you make a lame joke, they forget and they just laugh at the lameness of the jokes. Like how you laugh. That's okay.
Yeah, so look at us, two single people talking about love as if we have our PhD dissertation
See,
to
that's
do.
another beef. Like that's another not beef. That's another bone. We live in Karnataka. That's another bone that I need to pick with. Is I think okay.
Your
She
face.
told me she was like, don't use your hands a lot because of the lighting. But
No, use your hand, just not in front of your face. It will just overpower.
okay. So basically, what I was supposed to say was what I wanted to say was what did I want to say? What were you talking about?
So
The
say,
bone that I have to pick with. People, no, I totally forgot. Yeah, it's like
ADHD we
somebody
mentioned last episode.
undiagnosed.
If
Shout
you
out to
have
Komal.
not, shout out to Komal.
Komal.
Okay,
It should be
so
Komal.
yeah,
Anyway, so the basic point is
if you have not seen our previous episode, please we'll put a link. Go and see our previous episode. That was our pilot, so you would know, you will get an idea about how we are. Yeah,
we should have released that pilot episode on 9/11, like on 9th, like no, on 9/11.
today is 9/11.
नहीं
Oh, today is
भाई
the
आज
9th.
तो we should have released it on 11th September or 9th of September and been like, oh, the pilot, if it crashed, we can be like 9/11, bro. I know I'm making anyway. Um, so basically, the beef is why is it that somebody tries to express themselves? Everybody is like, what have you done? Do you have the PhD in it? Even if somebody has a PhD in it, they're not going to give a shit about it. They'll just like hate on them. I saw this podcast which Khloe Kardashian, one of the sisters of the Big Butts, literally she did, and then like everybody was like, what audacity does she have? What do you need? Like, bro,
Who
you know
asked?
who are oh that okay, this is like an inside joke. My question is, even if somebody had you never listened to your fucking professor. Did you listen to your professor? Like that person slaves around you didn't. Suddenly now two randos are sitting. And if you're not able to relate also you hate randos only. Babe. Anyway, random people who are sitting on the internet. So things like that. We'll move on to the poll aspect of this conversation.
Yeah.
I had gone on my Instagram story, and asked them, which is your most ideal? It started out as your ideal couple in series, like in there were a lot, and mine were very like minute people. So I went on and I asked from the Office series, who's your best couple? I am so disappointed that none of y'all said Kelly and Ryan.
Who? Why?
What do you mean? Why? Are you okay? Okay. Majority of you said Jim and Pam. She was engaged. Given she was unhappy, she was engaged, and he was there, and they kissed. That everybody wants. And then he gets a job. And he gets a job, and he doesn't tell it to her. And then he buys the house, he doesn't tell it to her. There is so much of shit going on,
Okay.
and y'all want that.
So you just have favorite couple. I
No,
don't want
favorite,
to
no, ideal. When I say ideal, it means like you see a bit of yourself there. Michael and Holly, I totally understand, bro. I totally understand.
I want
Dwight
that.
and Angela. How could you not like Dwight and Angela?
Same thing, no? With Angela
Creed.
also. Don't give me that fuck, okay? Don't give me that fuck, okay? So biased, so biased. Anything soft and romantic, no. She's against it.
So
And like-
my question is, y'all are missing the whole point, bro. But
No. No, Harita.
Angela and Dwight were a thing even before anything.
I like
They
Dwight
had a.
Akele se bas.
I love Creed and Meredith.
Ishi.
Anyway, I don't approve Jim and Pam. I'm so surprised that nobody voted for Kelly. Not even like one, bro. Like, no. And at one point, I went and put the thing on my own poll, and I put Holly and Michael. But then a part of me definitely I wanted to do like Ryan and Kelly, but then I didn't because I was like, like yeah. And then, bro, that's just sad.
Okay, so you are vouching for Ryan and Kelly. Why? They were the most fucking toxic. He treated her like shit. Do you want to be treated like shit? Then say no. Complete your
I've been
sentence.
the Ryan. That's a different thing. But my question is, beyond the toxicity, I'm wearing red because I'm a red flag. Samjha? So beyond the toxicity, like they stood, and she had a kid.
Oh my god,
With
this is
that
so
yeah, I
toxic.
know,
This
I know.
is so toxic.
In real life,
Harita.
if you were like talking to me, I wouldn't talk like this.
Yeah.
But then, no, bro. I'm little,
Kirik.
not little kirik, full kirik only. I am like, oh my god, full kirik. But my question is, how nobody wanted that?
Why would they want? It was just so bad, bro. It was just bad that comes in a ghoda because she's.
That's like goals. That's like goals. She's Indian. He's American. She had a baby, and then
She
on that
nahi,
day
he had because doesn't remember her references.
bro.
Ryan had a
Oh, yeah, okay.
baby.
And then it went to Nelly. She was hot though. So. Okay.
Nelly, so I like Nelly. Yeah.
Who's your favorite character from Office?
Dwight. Hands down, Dwight. But not with Angela.
Definitely. Okay, makes sense. Circling back to the Valentine's Day special.
Yeah, we need to talk about love. Okay,
That's all. What
yeah,
else
love,
we'll talk?
yeah, love
But
chapter
it's
is
good. But do you think that kids learn how to love from their parents? It's getting very psychological. But
Nah, I think 30-40% because they see it in their home, and as we have studied like
just
the
30,
basic
40.
I think so, 30, 40, 50. Because this is how I have been conditioned. I saw the kind of love which my parents had, and I had a choice
Huh.
to not have. Okay, okay. Okay, so I had a choice to either.
Arjun Reddy. Arjun. I'm sorry, but it just came to my Arjun Reddy. वो भी प्यार है. I'm just not saying, of course, it's not like something that you should incline. I'm sorry, tell. But
Okay.
Arjun Reddy. I'm so surprised that nobody came up with more things like bro animal, bro Arjun Reddy, bro. Like
People
that's
will
the
people
type
will
of
come up. People will
things.
come up. There are directors like okay.
This is a welcome back moment because we thought it was recording for 20 minutes approximately, and then the food buyer came and she was like, pause it now. And I was like, no, let this be, let it be candid. And then beautifully, it was not recording. So we'll just pick up where we left off. Okay, I hope it's recording now after this. Though I'm so tired, but it's okay.
And last time we went through
We were
hell.
on a roll. Oh, last time was crazy, and now the previous conversation, we were on a proper roll. So basically, I just asked her, like, after the whole Arjun Reddy blast, I was like, she was like, more directors like that will come. So my question now is, are you in love?
Yes, 100%.
You said 110%.
130%.
Wow, okay, awesome.
Are you in love, Harita?
Last time she didn't ask this, and I was like, good, I dodged the question, but yeah, I'm in love with life.
No, don't give me that shit. Are you in love with any physical form?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from here
Very
we'll.
beautifully.
Okay, very beautifully. Okay, from here we'll just talk about the terminologies we were talking
Hi,
about.
yeah, we were talking about the terminologies. Reference to the previous episode. Please go and watch it. I'll try to put the link here, whatever.
Not
whatever.
here, but
somewhere. I'm not very
somewhere
tech
where you
savvy.
can access.
So yeah, I still stand by that, bro. I don't agree with friends with benefits. I don't think because that's technically a relationship, yeah.
Technically a relationship where you are too to admit that you want to have a committed and like a official relationship status, but people who pursue friends with benefit, everybody knows that they are ing. Yeah, so
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't
You
I
see,
don't like it.
obviously there's this thing of if it works for you, it works for you. But then have you seen anyone with whom it has worked with? I have not.
No, same.
I have not. And I feel like now though everybody is behind that only. Everybody is doing that only. but it won't work out for me. I don't care if it's old school, whatever. It doesn't, bro, because I'm like, irrespective of whether it's a dude or a chick. Of course, you have the differences. I'm not saying I'm gender blind and all. I'm not quacking my.
Ex.
No, don't even go there, babe. I'm saying I'm not quacking my female friends. Why would I quack my male friends?
Yeah. So,
And if yeah,
okay.
just
So, what are the different terminologies which you know?
situationship, relationship, almost. Apparently, there is an almost. There is
Is
an
it a
almost.
term?
Bro, are you mad? The before trilogy, which we were talking,
Okay.
trilogy, whatever the. There is an almost, which is it's very similar to La La Land thing,
Okay.
like that, like almost, or
Hmm.
the one that got away basically is the
But
almost.
is it like a situation? Like, is it a scenario?
They had the compatibility, but it just didn't lead to that. But they know that deep down they love each other, and I'm like,
We have
I'm too much of a simp for that, bro. I think once something is over, it's over. Just like go on. Just don't be like, oh, even though I'm married and I've named my kid after my ex, I'm still in love with. How can you? I have serious bone to pick with that '96 movie, but we will not get into it because I get
Okay.
a lot of hate for that.
After almost what? Like the different term.
Situationship, buddies,
Oh yeah.
almost, friends with benefits. We have to involve, even though we don't like it. Then married is a terminology. Open relationship.
Seven. There are a lot. Like there are
You do.
benching. You know
What
about
is
benching?
benching? What is that? I
So
thought like
apparent.
bench press. Like the
No.
first time I heard spotter, I was like, "What is that?" And they were like, "Bro, spotter is like the dude who helps you to live." That I understand. So is it related with workout or something? No.
No, no, no. So that spotter though is
Yeah,
a
okay. What
gym
is this
term.
benching?
Benching is basically you bench a certain so and so because
What
you
is
are
a
currently
bench?
like benching as in like you are reserving them for not like for later.
Backup.
Yeah,
Backup.
yeah, like you're
Backups
benching
are
them. Yeah,
good,
yeah.
though. Don't you think backups are
No,
good?
no. I never had a backup, so I don't prefer this in a relationship or love situation. Ki you have a
But I
backup.
thought backup was a good thing. Again, I will not reveal any kind of things, but I think backup is a good thing, hai na?
Not
Saying
for me.
that, no? So you also being a backup, you're not on board with it.
No,
You having a backup also, you're not on board
no,
with it. Okay.
no.
I've not made up my opinion yet, but I'm pretty sure it's edging towards no. But at the same time, I thought backup is somebody that's very hands down, like somebody that you can rely on.
Bro, then how come they are backup, bro? It's just
There's
so
something known as
sad.
timing also. This I don't like it, but then there's something with timing, which is like, oh, we are great, we're compatible, it's amazing, but it's just not there.
फिर तो उसको तुम बैकअप पे फिर रख दोगे तो उसका मतलब उसका कितना नीचे चला जाएगा यार पायदान उसका तो है ही नहीं कुछ इट्स लाइक ये
Okay.
मेरा बैकअप था या मेरी बैकअप थी या लाइक आई हैड अ बैकअप इट वर्कड आउट प्रीटी ऑसम बट
Manipulation is a beautiful thing. I think we should also include that with the whole terminologies, because technically, imagine someone, bro, Coffee with Karan, that episode with Deepika, they spoke a lot, but I didn't retrieve a lot from that. In that, she tells, no, I kept going back to him. That's called backup. And don't you think it's a good thing saying that we ventured, Paksha, there's like a connection here and we're coming here and trying to, but yeah,
no
okay.
I personally don't believe in it.
I don't have an opinion on backup, so I'm like, okay, but what I gather from you is it's not a good thing. I thought it was a
For
good
me,
thing
for me, it's not. For you, it might be different when you experience
when
it.
I
Huh.
experience it.
Would you
Not
would
that,
you be
yeah.
would you be someone else's backup? Like you guys are exploring and everything, where that person comes back to you, Hamisha, and then you know that this person will drift apart after sometimes because they're exploring, but then they come back to you. It's
Like saying that, by you are more accessible, you're better.
yeah,
So I just wanted to have fun. That though, no.
yeah.
Okay,
What's the
yeah,
point
now
of
you know what? Yeah, it
having
makes
backup?
sense. No, okay. Okay,
So
now I got the context.
So there are a lot of different terminologies
Terminologies.
in the market, and I hate most of them. Apart from being in a relationship, being in love, being married, of course, these things I like or being single. It's a wonderful thing to be single. But so
For the longest time, even if I like somebody, I never uh like got into the relationship. I'm just putting it out there. Yeah, I never,
You
because I think always I used to be like, again,
you
this.
had someone in your life हमेशा, not in the term of relationship, but कोई ना कोई बंदा
Yeah,
हमेशा
yeah.
रहा है.
Matlab, I used to be like, hey, I like the way he does that thing. But in my head, I think even when I was so young, also, my mind used to always go to like, is this like a long term thing or what? So all the things that even without my knowledge used to be very like, huh, but then I won't pursue this, I won't pursue this, I won't pursue this. Later on, another terminology is commitment issue thing, which I comes from a lot of different double standards in my opinion, which I hate people who have like commitment issues, but then not realizing that I was also one of them. And yeah, things like that. I think I realized that very late, that oh damn. And that's when I realized I've never actually been single nor committed. Like matlab, I will like somebody, I'll be like, hey, I'll just appreciate them, that's it. But I won't pursue, I won't do anything. I'll just be like, ah, nice na. But I have gone out of my way sometimes and been like, hey man, what you do is cool, what's up, what's good. And then
What's up,
yeah,
matcha?
what's up, macha, what's
चाय पे
up?
चलना है.
Yeah, okay, something like that.
Makes sense. But like, for example, the way we talk, like, do you love someone right now? So
Yeah,
you love someone, but you are technically single, but you are not looking to
yeah.
be in a relationship or
Other than
in
that
a.
person, I'm just putting, my ring just fell. Anyway, thank you. So yeah, and the thing is,
Oh.
please don't do all that shit. It just annoys the f- from me. But sure. But yeah, I think it's just there. Like, of course, I do it, and I heard from a friend saying that, oh, don't say that, then you won't have options.
Who wants?
I don't. Yeah,
Yeah,
actually. But
I
then,
also don't want
but I'll be
options.
very honest with you. I think even when I was in a relationship, I never celebrated Valentine's Day, bro. Like, I don't know. It just never, like, I used to be like, "Ugh, like what? Like, what you want to do?"
Western culture.
So,
I same. I have been in long term relationships, and there have been multiple Valentine, but never celebrate like multiple Valentine
oh, yeah,
years.
like that. I've never, like, for me, it's like when somebody's like, oh, I was in an 8-year-old relationship. I'm like, bro, I've not been in a relationship with myself for 8 years, bro. So, mine have been very, like, I know what my goal is, and I'll just tell them if they're on board, they're on board. Otherwise, I'm just like, don't waste your time. Let's not waste
And
our
it's
time, and I
very
just go.
expensive to like
It's so
celebrate.
expensive, bro. Are you mad?
And
On Zepto, $1,499.
but okay,
One
okay,
bouquet.
okay. Let
But
me.
I will always buy flowers and go on.
Huh.
Like that's a different
Okay,
thing. But I'll
so
spend not more than $150.
okay. So coming back to the Valentine thing, but we all love receiving those flowers, chocolate, teddies. Well, would you like it when it like it happens out of sudden कि मतलब वो लेकर आ रहा है या फिर वो लेकर आ रही है whatever. There is apparently a Galentine thing also, which you do it with
Ayo, you.
your girls, with your
Oh
gals.
no, it's like I no, bro. Like I actually answering to your first question. Now
Now,
it's different, but then no, bro. Like I actually haven't liked it because I used to just feel like, what is this? Like what is this? Because I'm the one who likes giving flowers. I'm like, you can't give. I'm giving. How can you give?
but you will always love it, no? When
I
you
actually have not. That's what I'm trying to tell you is by surprise, by amaze, by oh my god, I've never received anything like that. I'm just putting it out
all
there.
the guys who are watching
No,
who
the
want to
beauty is
surprise
once.
my
No, 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 no.
lady.
One second. The beauty is somebody someday was like, they asked me in a group of people, like, Harita, have you ever received a love letter? Beautifully. I was like, no. And I was like, oh, technically, I've received one, and there were grammatical errors. And then, like, after some time, I got like two messages, like, bro, in tuition, once I gave you a love letter. Did you forget? And I was like, when? But I actually don't remember. I don't think so. And for me, I think I need like the bold gesture, bro. Like, I'm not saying come in one Tata Sumo with like a bouquet of flowers or something like that. But
But buy you a garden.
no, but then I want like the kitchen garden though. Like, make good
Of course,
investment.
of
Like,
course, of
buy
course.
the methi seeds or something. But, yeah,
So
something
the
like that.
whole
It's
facade
very.
of Valentine, it doesn't. It makes sense to you because it doesn't make sense.
Business wise,
business
Yes,
wise,
bro.
so
Like now I'm genuinely like shit, yeah. I should have contacted some couples and been like, hey, do you want to make like it's still not late.
you
It's
can, you
only the
can, you
9th.
can, you
I
can.
can still kind of like approach some couples and be like, you want to make some Valentine card and earn money out of it. Business wise, it's one of the best days ever because
You can pulp
everything, right?
the.
You can pulp the juice out of the like literally, bro. Business wise, it's such a booming time, and it's a Valentine's week.
It's a whole
We
week.
don't have Independence Week, but we have Valentine's Week. By this itself, you know that where we are all freaking heading towards.
Okay. So, will you be somebody's Valentine this
I
Valentine's?
don't think so.
Okay.
I really don't think so. It's okay.
Okay.
Just fucking, she's like, she knows, bro, but she's just rubbing the salt. And the beauty is,
I'm not.
okay, I will talk about attachment styles, bro. I think that's very, it won't, I'm being very honest with y'all. A part of me is still like, I don't want to overexpose, but at the same time, I don't have any secrets to spill. But at the same time, I'm like, I think everybody has this thing of, oh, she's so bubbly, she's so cute, but in reality, I'm just like, I just have like a different mindset. But I've never, like I said, I've been in one like solid
Relationship.
relationship, and then oh,
I have a different battery. I'll just put the different battery.
put it. Should we pause it till then?
Yeah.
Is this a sign, bro? Like we talk about the past and it's like we are back to the role. So as we were talking, the light just went on. But yeah, apart from that,
The light had attachment issues.
attachment issues. My attachment style,
We are talking about
attachment
attachment
styles.
styles.
How many do you think are there?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, bro, we studied psychology, bro. Like,
So
some of our psychology teachers will also be learning.
we had attachments something.
I'm sure.
I don't
No,
think so.
okay, sorry, then it's YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. My God, she's so aggressive, bro. Nobody will pull this out. I got a lot of comments, by the way. Like 7 to 8 friends of mine were literally like, bro, you're just bullying her. You're just bullying her. Imagine this is on camera. Off camera,
You still bully me off
No.
camera. Can we talk about the conversation we had earlier today?
oh my God.
She
don't
was
even-
busting my
One
ass on the
second.
call.
One second. I did not bust. The thing is, I'm a very confrontational person, okay? Like, obviously. And the beauty is, every mother lover that I meet, y'all are like avoidant.
I am.
It's so annoying, bro.
I'm not avoidant, but I'm
I'm
just
somebody who's like, again, this circles back to attachment style shit, which is I'll fight, but if I say I'll stay, it means I'll stay, bro. Like at least at that moment, you know what I mean? I'll stay. Anyway, if I tell about what conversation we had,
Let's not.
yeah, thank
Let's
you.
not.
But we solved it out. That's all. It's right. or
We are recording our podcast.
At one point, I was like, I'll just come, we'll record and we'll go. But then that shit never happens with us, bro. All that love and all is not there.
Love is there. Love is
Gosh,
there.
Kelsa ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು breakup ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾಕೆ anyway. So, yeah, I think I still am like an anxious attachment person. I've seen that even with my parents, with people that I usually like, is I'm like, where are you? What happened? What happened? Not exactly paranoid, but it's there.
Okay.
And I think the last
Anxious or like hyper?
actually anxious is a very strong word. I haven't felt anxious in a very, very long time. I think we should talk about this cute love stories. Like I liked this guy in college. Loved this guy in college. It was so fun, bro. Like it was so fun that it was so traumatic back then that now I'm like, bro, I like it because imagine if I had gotten into multiple things or gotten into trouble, no, I think things would have been so different. Like, I think I liked that. I was like, oh, nice. I liked one guy, and I was so stuck upon that I didn't waste a lot of time with other people. But at the same time, I was very active in college. You know how it was, and it was great. And I'm like, good that I was staying loyal to the person who is like. But it was good, dude. Even yeah, it was really good. I think that's when I believe that okay, love is a concept. Like one very good thing is I think I'm somebody who's like, you don't have to prove yourself for me to love you. If I make up my mind saying that, bro, I like you, I love you, it means I'm just like that. Because again, I don't believe in the concept of, oh my god, this is meant to be, so automatically it becomes like, oh, like something is very attractive about you. I don't know what it is, but it's just there. And I think solid time was during college. It was like one of those cute, in school and all. I was busy getting bullied and busy bullying, so none of that school sweetheart shit happened. So in terms of attachment, I think that hyper of, um, like, oh, is everything okay? Like, is everything? But now I think after some incidents, I'm very like, I don't want to use the word chill, but I think I'm very like, okay, if something is there, they'll only come
You
and tell
take
me.
up action.
Yeah, like, and it feels good. But again, whatever used to bother you a lot, it'll still be lingering around in some way. But I think I've found a way to work towards it, and it actually gives you like a lot of like that breathing time of, oh hey,
The aram.
the aram, literally aram say kind of thing. So yeah, do you have like an attachment style that you
I don't
recognize?
know. I don't know. I have not attachment style. Maybe I depend a lot. Maybe I don't know what is the technical term for it. I just become a leech when it comes.
Oh,
Yeah, I am
yeah,
like that.
I like that.
That person becomes my whole world. My life starts revolving around them. Everything, like from my morning routine to like before I go to sleep, I have to talk to that person. I'm that leech kind of dependent attachment, whatever you call it. I don't know the technical term, but I am like that. So
That's nice. What do you think about the gender aspect of it? I just have to bring this up. I
matlab?
think um, it goes back to our chasing theory, which I think would have been lost in that recording. Bro, that was a good role.
And we
We'll
can't
get it.
recreate also.
Recreate, matlab, it's not flowing, and it's good. It's them again podcast. Please follow, subscribe, comment, and share.
Like
So that kind of shit. Again, the whole thing is when a guy is like the leech, the chipkali who's like, I feel like people accept it. But the second a girl is, like, oh my god, my life revolves around him, I think people hate.
oh yeah, I
Why?
this I
Why?
agree.
I'm just, okay. Imagine I'm the dude, you're the chick. Like I'm like Apurva.
See,
One second, listen. No, I'm like Apurva. Yeah, like I know I'm working, but oh yeah, I know my mom's gonna love you. Oh, my life revolves around you. My job. When a man does it, automatically people are like, huh, good, good, good. But the second a woman by mistake, now I'm not talking about like 20, 30 years ago. I'm talking about today. I think when women say, yeah, I'm in love. Yeah, I'll go where he is. People lose their shit. Why?
I think if it's
Feminazi, apart from
yeah,
feminazi.
yeah, I think that's what involves in this whole concept. मेरे को क्या लगता था कि जो लड़के लीच नहीं होते, मतलब लीच, आई एम यूजिंग दिस वर्ड जस्ट फॉर रेफरेंस, ओके, द चिपकू वाला. अगर like the situation was reverse here, the girl is not chipkili, but the guy is
Guy.
chipkili. Like it was looked down because masculine traits wala thing na, again ki like a guy can't
Really?
be
Wow.
yeah.
Okay, yeah,
The
of course, of
the
course.
the thing which you said, I'm listening it for the first time, that it is considered, it is
Bro,
considered.
movies where the guy is chasing the chick, but the second the chick chases the guy, everyone's like, oh, they look, and I'm like, who told you? Like, but then again, people have a problem with everything. Like Valentine's Day, I'm pretty sure Zepto's making a hell lot of money, and even now, if I tell my mom, like, oh, it's so annoying, my mom's like, just because you're single doesn't mean it has to be bad. And I'm like, bro, don't attack me like that. But it's things like that.
Zepto and all are coming up with so good animation,
Kudos to the
graphics,
user
and all this.
experience designer, bro. Really, like the way, and that's so nice. No, like this is the whole point. Even though I don't like it, we are still talking about it, and it's actually a nice thing. And do you know the 7 days of the week? Like
No.
before Valentine's Day, yesterday was Rose Day apparently. Because, bro, what is this? So many people that I know they're committed. I'm like, for so long you
I
all were
didn't
not.
get any rules.
Even I didn't. No, yuck. There's one rose in my house and my pucha.
She
But
gave me the sunflower so that.
sunflower is sunflower. But
Okay, Rose
today
Day.
is yesterday was proposed day, I guess. Today is someday. And I'm like, dude, yaar kotta idhar. Like,
Chocolate?
somebody's I don't know.
Send us the days
Don't
ka
send,
thing.
bro. Like I'm pretty
Please
sure
send
like,
me.
nowadays
Send.
people they have multiple partners. So they are like
Don't
power.
get me started on this, bro. This is another.
Let them, like, as long as it's not happening to you, it's good only.
Yeah, that's.
Nowadays people have multiple partners, and the thing is, like, I love how each partner, what I've heard is they're like, be careful with the other one. Like,
I have heard from a friend of mine who said ki you get different your different requirements are fulfilled by different partners, and I'm
they
like,
actually said that.
yeah.
But my question is, then where is the fun of explaining it to one banda
I
or like
am
one person?
I am a one person woman only, bro. I can never be like, yeah, I can never be with you and somebody else. Like at one time I need to be with a person, just a person. That's it.
Makes sense. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
I don't like multiple partners, but same now the chaos, bro. You might say something to that partner and you would be like, oh, I didn't tell this to you. Okay, okay. Maybe XYZ, no? So that
Makes
thing.
sense. So, overall, Valentine's Day is okay. I hope there's
Send me
like some
flowers,
couple.
chocolate, car, teddy, everything.
Have you ever received like the teddy bear, the
Like
chocolate?
yeah, I have had like the good share of a week of Valentine, but yeah, but once or twice only. No,
How many more times you want? Bro?
every Valentine, bro. Every Valentine, I want the. I don't want, but I like to
Definitely,
receive.
yeah, because it's one day and
Like I like chocolates.
pro
I
tip.
like.
Sorry, sorry. Pro tip: try to make your anniversary on Valentine's Day, so that they don't have to spend on two different days.
Bro, my brother, like my cousin brother, got engaged on, like, it was a arranged marriage setting, but he got engaged on Valentine's. So they,
Stupid people.
yeah.
That I don't like. Oh, on 13th, one of my seniors, he's getting married. And I'm like, oh, the next day only Valentine's Day. It's
Well,
like, sure, no, but I don't know. I'm just not very on board with the whole facade of, like, oh my God, like, yeah, I don't know.
okay.
Maybe I have to find someone. I'm pretty sure
Maybe
that
you have to experience that.
the thing is, when I experienced it, I didn't like it. That's what I'm trying to say. And the thing is, I felt very guilty also, bro. Like, there have been good people who have approached and all. Now I don't get
But
approached.
good people, what, bro? Good people doesn't make sense. No, the person जो जो तुमको पसंद है वो ही चाहिए ना भाई, और तो क्या चाहिए, और कौन चाहिए, और बस जो चाहिए वो चाहिए. So yeah.
Chaya, 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 chaya. And so many reels nowadays, dude. I want like the couple goals one.
Okay, do you have any couple you look up to? Like not entirely कि
Should I
इसको
say
देख के.
Adam and Eve.
Yeah, you can.
I'm not gonna. I
You
will
just
not
said.
endorse any religious talks, but anyway,
Guess who? Okay.
I'm just the thing from Adam's family, like the goth couple. Apart from them, I told you, na, from Two Broke Girls, Oleg and Sophie. They're very like the creepiest people. Very like,
Sloppiest.
oh God. So, and they're very like annoying, but then they just like stay together, and I'm like, okay, cool. And they're not toxic like how you see in Ross, Rachel, and all. Even Monica and Chandler, in a way, they're a little
No,
toxic,
no.
bro. Like what? No.
If
no.
you follow that trajectory, you would have not said that. They were never toxic. They were never toxic. One couple, like
He's
one
just
character
scared of her, like, and not even in a cute way. Like I've seen
You
some
need
of
to
my
rewatch.
seniors, or I've seen some of the people in my life who are like they're little scared of their girlfriend, like little bit. They'll
But
be
you
like,
have to
"Huh."
be a
You
little
have to
scared.
be, little bit, but then not to an extent where
The feminine energy should affect you, but like not affect you, but like you should be a little.
little toxicity is also needed, bro. Otherwise, it's just going to be boring as hell.
In real life, I don't have any couple whom I look up to.
Can I give the shout out to my couple? All day, every day. Like actually, like touchwood or whatever, Nasir na lage, whatever you want to say, but I love them, bro. Like whenever I hang out with them, they're like this solid couple that I'm just like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like
Ye
you, not ye chahiye, definitely, but apart from that, it's like you kind of restore the humanity of, yeah, the hope
Mm.
saying that okay, people can be cool and not cringe.
I really want to meet those people
Please,
in real life.
please.
All the couples I have seen, they have some shit going down,
And in a
and
very like bad way,
yeah,
yeah. Like in a very
exactly.
like you're like, babe, is this all right? And they're like, this is love. No, no.
No.
Like, of course, you should have some dark shit going on, but then not to an extent where you are like, I know people who are just like, I'm like, dude, but they're like, he was figuring it out or she was figuring it out, like chill. Like by the end of the day, imagine you're talking with your 3-year-old. Unexpected person called me per usual, and it's recording now, and the light also fell. And so yeah, we'll try to wrap it up, but pretty much we'll see if we can accommodate them in this podcast. I think they would have really good things to say.
Yeah, sure. One day we'll have a couple episode, or we'll have just people over.
Definitely, that'll definitely happen. But overall, it is good. But yeah, but okay, like we'll end this with this question. Do you think this whole love is something that makes people move, like something that makes life move?
I believe love does help you get out of the bed and have a good day.
Sometimes it gets you in the bed, but sure.
Sometimes, most of the time.
Sometimes.
But yeah, I believe that love helps you get out of the bed, have a good day. At the same time, you can have shitty day because of love, but that's love. That's love. So we'll
Wrap it up. Yeah, I just don't have like an end card, but thank you for listening to our podcast. Thank you for bearing our faces. Thank you for bearing this amazing thing. We're gonna go and build some Bihari chicken now. That is love, bro. But yeah, overall, I do. I mean, of course, you gotta seize to hope and all, but then overall, I hope that I have better things to say about love, bro. Like, oh, can you please read out what you wrote about love? So she wrote this. I write a lot about love with my alter ego Maya, but I can't do it. She had written some beautiful piece, very short also. Let's end.
on
Hello,
that.
mic testing 1 2 3. So this is Ashi Apurva and Harita signing out. But before that, we would like to read you a few lines of the beautiful, draft. We'll call it a draft
It is a
of
draft
what
only.
Apurva thinks about love in general. She read this to me on a random day,
Think
and I just
about.
1 second here. I'm trying to be aesthetic. Nobody lets me be aesthetic, and you'll ask why you in auntie vibes because you don't let me. Anyway, so demure, demure,
Demi Moore.
and demure.
Demisexual.
So yeah, actually, oh, we should have spoken about that anyway. So let's end this podcast with a beautiful set of lines, and we'll see you in the next one. If our friendship still stands by,
It will.
no come, no danna,
No come.
paklam.
What meaning?
All meaning, same meaning. Read it out.
Okay. Where do you get the draft from, bro?
While ma'am is checking where she has her.
Don't.
It's okay. You know what? This is like the perfect vibe. I hope it's recording. So the light just went off. Oh wow, it's come back, and I'm just trying to fill while she tries to find out where she's written it. And I also think writing is something that's just beautiful, bro. Like I realized that whatever I want or would like, I just like put it in my. I put it in my. Let it be. It's okay. I put it in my writing, bro. I make my alter ego live it. And people are like, oh my god, I didn't know you had this side. I'm like, come on, bro. Like, at this point, even if I sit and talk to you for hours, you wouldn't know who I am. Okay. So, we will be signing off this beautiful Valentine's Day special episode with her lines.
So, so the title goes as if, so the title goes like, so after all, it's a lost case, love. Love arrives softly like an unexpected rain on a warm summer afternoon, the kind that doesn't demand shelter, only surrender. I have walked I have walked through the streets of cities with my heart in someone else's hand. soft and warm. I have memorized the lines of someone else's face like poetry and traced the curves of their laughter with my fingertips. I have built homes in people, decorated them with hopes, and filled their walls with whispers of tomorrow. And yet, each time, I find myself standing in the rubble of what I thought was unbreakable.
She's added a few things. This is awesome.
Okay, so we'll tata bye bye. See you in the next episode. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, and please contribute to our channel. Being the people you are, just drop your comments, nice comments on the comment section.
ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಲ್ಸಿ
And
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
someone
someone he was joking bro
see you next episode. Bye bye.